thinking about last night, oh, we could blame or whatever, having nothing on your own. But, you know, it's gonna make me work hard. It's making me know what I need to do. It's true. Instead of being so comfortable, oh, I'm gonna be safe.
Tinitingnan kita kagabi, yung reaction mo. Sabi ko, yun, marami kang marirealize. Sabi ko, ngayon, di ba, nararamdaman mo feeling na pagiging probie. Ngayon, nagsistrive ka.
Well,
makikita ko.
Naging probie ako before. I've been a probie.
Oh, pero hindi ka nalagay sa bottom 2. Ngayon, nakikita kita ang aga-aga mo, ano ka ng song. Natutuwa ako din. Ganun.
I'm always like that though, when I study. That's who I am anyways. I do that anyways. You know what I mean?
Kaya mo yun. Kaya mo yun.
But I just think it's wrong, the assumption that I will be safe. Because that's not true. You don't know that. What if the people don't want to vote for me? Then I lose my dream. You know what I mean? But, ganun talaga eh. Somebody's gonna vote. And so now it's better to know now if they're gonna save me or not. Diba? That's a good thing. There's like, diba, the positive thing out of it. Yung positive. If the people, kung isave nila akong mga tao, ibig sabihin maganda yun kasi they want me here. It gets more. And tama ka, it's gonna make me work harder because you know me. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter also. But on the friendship side, I was hurt because, you know, I never let you down. You know what I mean?
Kahit yung kay Chris, sasaktan ka, diba? Kahit kay Chris.
No? Iba yung sa kanya. Iba yung sa'yo, iba sa kanya. Nagets mo? Iba sa kanya. Basta may ibang dahilan. But yung sa'yo, parang, I don't remember a time that basta, you know what I'm talking about.
Naiintindihan ko.
So, and you know now, maybe it could be, diba? Basta ko lang yun.
Pero Hans, promise, makakabuti sa'yo. Iisip ko rin yun.
Oh, teka, yung kalamansi mo nasa kamay ko. Oh yeah, don't even look. Oo. But I think they're cleaning it, so we're gonna get to swim later.
Yes.
Pakita mo na lang ngayon. Pakita mo ngayong week. So, Naples, ay ulok.
You're bulok na.
Ulok style yan. No! Hindi ko yun. Baka sabi mo kahit anong mangyari. We're friends.
Ang gwapo ko na talaga ngayon, Lisel.
Ang kapo niya. Magpipitayin ako. Hindi mo tayo magpipitayin. Lakas ng dating.
I'm a vain na ngayon, Sel. I'm a vain.
You're a vain now.
Yeah.
You showed the worth of your friendship yesterday.
Wala. Ano naman eh. Ano naman eh. Scoop. Hindi na naman ako makatulog. Bango kasi nang sabi. Bangutin na naman ako nito.
Like,
Brother,
ganun ka na.
yung egg ko
we have two. And then we have more up there. Oh yeah, we have there too. And then if they give
Isa
us...
lang yun sa akin. Tapos ngayon may magbibigay pa mo kay Sam.
Yes, stop.
Para dalawa na yung
Of course.
Dalawa na.
Ano naman?
Lumit ko talaga.
How do you... Wait, I have a question. See, that's the good thing about one is right, actually. But that being in the bottom, it's gonna make me...
Just say you're my heart.